Fellow Nigerians, I want to say a very warm good evening. I'm here to address you once again in the course of our nation's history. And it is a disgrace that President Tinubu does not trust anyone. He doesn't trust himself. He's afraid of his own shadows. He doesn't believe in anybody. This is the first time in the history of the universe and the entire world that a presidential candidate of a political party will double as the chairman of the Presidential Campaign Council for his own election. I mean, it can never get worse than this. Actually, those the gods want to destroy, they first make mad. I mean, how can you be a presidential candidate and you are the chairman of the Presidential Campaign Council? If Tinubu lies, let him be the spokesperson of his own campaign. Let him be the director of operation of his own campaign. Let him be the director of strategy for his own campaign. Now, not only chairman of the Presidential Campaign Council, it has never happened anywhere before now that you have that kind of bogus Presidential Campaign Council. It shows they are jittery. It shows they are afraid. It shows that Tinubu knows that even the governors in his kitty cannot be trusted. He knows that his ministers cannot be trusted. He knows that there will be an internal implosion within the APC. So that is why he wants everything to be reported directly to him as the chairman of the Presidential Campaign Council. It is unheard of. It is disgraceful. And look at that very, very, very bogus number of people in the presidential campaign. They even repeated some committees like 8 times, 9 times. There is director 1, there is director 2, there is deputy director 1, there is deputy director 2, there is secretary 1, there is secretary. Oh, this one just remind me of Fela's music. Confusion, break, bonu, yepa. Na double wahala for anybody and the owner of anybody APC. Double wahala for anybody. And the most important aspect of the list that was released by the APC is to see the chairman of FIRS, the body that collects our revenue as a nation. The chairman of FIRS is the deputy director or deputy chairman or whatever it is for fundraising for Tinubu's presidential campaign. His name is there, Zach, chairman FIRS, as the deputy director in charge of fundraising of presidential campaign of Tinubu, and you are serving as the country's chairman of Nigerian Revenue Service, NRS, formerly known as FIRS. Is there no conflict in this? As a lawyer, by the grace of God, on Monday, I'm heading to court. We have to test that. If that is not conflict of interest, I don't know what else it will be. That a man who is a public servant, a man who is a salary earner, a man who is supposed to observe the provisions of the public, the ethos, guidelines of public service rules, PSR, the man who is supposed to observe PSR is not just supporting Tinubu. He is a member of the Presidential Campaign Council and he is the deputy director in charge of fundraising. And meanwhile, you are in charge of revenue collection of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Mogbe, how did we get here? How did we get here? Actually, there was a country, but I will test that in court and we will make sure that by the special grace of God, the battle to stop Tinubu is a battle of no retreat, no surrender. We have never gotten this low in the history of this country. It's a big shame. It's a disgrace. Haba!